Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, kind of makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that past couple of days, the bulls have been, acting in a bullish way. I mean, not that long ago, the price was all the way down there. And now you look at where it's at, and it's managed to work its way all the way up there. And I'm assuming most people are going to say, yeah, this has been a nice move on the bulls' part. But that does lead to the very valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is down here at the 36-cent mark. Why is 36 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with genuine power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 36 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is. The price is gonna make progress as time goes by. And in this case, I am defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 36 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward on this one. It's all about the famous 200 period simple moving average, which is denoted by that pink line there. You can see on several occasions the price has gotten up around the vicinity there. And while, early this morning, yeah, the price did temporarily break above it. Price couldn't stay above it. Therefore, that's still got to be considered an area of resistance. So, but really, in my opinion, at least, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority for the chart. Top priority at this point in time, going through some healthy consolidation and building some higher bases. So nice start to the week, no doubt about that. Now it transitions to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.